Here we go. We just found a table across the street. We're gonna have to stand it up. Okay.
And I can squat there, I can lunge.
Today we are transforming my youngest son's room into a temporary guest room.
Yeah, we're up for it.
We're gonna start by moving everything out of here, cleaning, and then we're gonna see if we can do this whole entire project without buying anything.
Yes.
Use things from around our house to make this look like a guest room.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take everything off of here to get it out of here.
Yeah.
My idea is that we're going to take this shelf and put it into our living room temporarily because our guests are only here for a week, so it's all temporary.
Now let's see if I can lift this up. Lift with your knees. I mean your move.
Lift with your back.
Lift with your back.
This will be a great opportunity when we go to put everything back in here.
Oh yes.
Decluttering.
Yes.
Thankfully, we don't have a lot of furniture in the rest of our house. I like to keep it kind of minimalish, I guess you could say. And so we had plenty of room to put this stuff in other areas.
You go to my old people's workout class. I work out with the oldies,
let's
and
see.
I'm really good. Look, I can squat. I can lunge. I can get off the floor now. Me and the old people. We're doing it. We lift weights.
The majority of our time was spent moving everything out of the room, cleaning it up, and putting everything in a place where we could still get to it and use it because we were still going to have to function.
I'll hold this. You go there. How many inches is it? What does it say?
Trying to figure out where we were going to put everything was kind of fun, like a puzzle, trying to decide where things could fit.
We are literally rearranging the entire house because to be able to fit everything from this room into the boys' room, we had to move their couch into kind of like the kitchen area.
And we still needed to use the changing table, so we decided to move that into the boys' room as well. I'm surprised it all fit.
We're gonna pull this out for now, and then we'll probably end up putting it back because this would be a great side table for a guest room.
Now that everything that we didn't need was cleared out of the room, we could do some tidying up, deep cleaning, dusting, and getting it fresh smelling for our guests that were arriving in a few days.
Ta-da! Yay! We blocked off that door with the couch because we don't really want the kids running through this room while there's guests here. We actually have to take the crib apart because it can't fit through the door. Put it back together in the other room. Then when the guests leave, we're gonna take it apart again and then bring it back. All right, I'm just trying to think of if I have to take the whole thing apart, if I can take apart just some of it. We're gonna find out. But I don't know. I'm thinking if we could just take apart maybe just the sides off. Let's see if we can wedge it through. Like angle it, angle it. Will it angle?
No. Got your helper here.
I want to see if we can hold this up. This is a test. We're gonna see if we can get it through the door. Okay, but now angle it. Look at this. So you're saying if I go out
You came out first. Yeah, I think so. Oh my gosh. I think you should just take it apart.
How we broke the crib?
I don't think it's going to change it.
Oh, I know.
This is still the same width, no matter how you cut it.
With it.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh boy.
So annoying. Why don't they just make cribs that can fit through the doors?
It's hard enough doing it in the middle of the open room, but now we're doing it in the doorway half closed.
There we go. Okay, successfully it's in the other room and now we can put it back together. We got to rebuild it in the other room and then we got to decorate this room. The beds are going to be 2 blow-up beds. One is ours and one is borrowed from my mom. Here I am. These are great. We've had them for a long time.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's yours for years and
That
years.
one's probably 10 years old.
Yeah. I will link it down below because, you know,
I know.
in case you need a bed, it's
They're
really good.
taller because I used to have a shorter one, but I couldn't get off the floor. But this one's high. I can actually sit on it and stand up.
And they plug in, so that's the good thing.
Yeah. You know,
They blow themselves up.
Part of me wishes we had a guest room all the time where we could just have people over and have the proper bed, but this is a great way to convert a room and keep the space usable all year long.
We're trying to get the best layout where there's going to be room to walk around. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Is it the same exact? It's like the exact same pretty much.
yeah, it's a little bit
In more from there, but then this way is closer.
I'd say go that way because you have a lot of room there.
Guitar. You stay in our house, you get the finest of sheets.
They get the kids' winter sheets.
There we go.
Having a twin bed, I think because I was worried that if someone got close, it would separate and fall through the middle. They'll figure out a way if they want to get close.
Oh my God, stop. I don't want to hear any more of that. No talk of people getting close, okay?
In your house.
This was the one that was on your bed at some point.
Yeah.
Decorating is always the most fun part of any project like this. It's kind of the last 20% of a project where it all comes together, and we had to get really creative finding things around my home.
Maybe I'll spend the night. Got my own room now.
I was trying to decorate in a way where it would look like an adult room, so taking a lot of the baby themed things out of here, but then also not putting too many things in here because I wanted them to be able to come in here and not trip over decorations and things that were unnecessary. So there was a real balance going on here, and they were going to need room for their luggage and their clothing and all that sort of thing. So I just moved a few things around.
I really just wish we had something for this wall here.
I took this off your hallway wall. What do you think?
What do we think?
I don't know. What does it look? That looks nice, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
As long as it doesn't fall on their head. I think.
It shouldn't.
It brings the color from the blue there. I think that's good.
Yeah, I like that. Okay.
Put a hole in the wall.
A hammer. Nail and a hammer. Nail and a hammer.
Do you want it
That would
centered
be-
in the wall, or do you want it centered over the bed?
Wall. I don't want to go too far in.
Just do one project, and that's that. We'll go to the end.
Once we fall off this bed,
Put your hand up there.
it's not centered.
Step down.
Okay. Oh, there. I really like it. I really wanted something right there.
Yeah, it makes a big difference.
Huge difference.
Way better. Yay. Is it even?
I painted this, by the way, years ago.
It has to go up on that side just a hair, I think.
I wanted some throw pillows. Just got an idea. I have these regular sleeping pillows, but my mom came up with the idea that we could cram it in to a throw pillow cover. So let's see if that will work.
Well, they fit.
This is what it looks like. It fit in there. So we're going to see if this pillow will fit in there now.
Good. Okay.
And then my mom just ran across the street and found a table that was out for trash for a pickup.
I know, I
or
noticed
whatever.
that when I drove in today. I thought, oh, she's getting
That
rid of
could
her
work.
table. Yeah.
So we're going to see. I'm
Yeah.
going to go out and see it. And if it's sturdy enough,
Yeah, let's go check it out.
we're going to check it out and see what we can do with it.
All right, cool.
Because I was thinking that it would be good to have something over in that corner, maybe.
yeah.
Fingers crossed it could work. We're going to see what
water
we
glass
can do.
at night. Yeah. Didn't you just get a lamp that doesn't need batteries? I mean, doesn't need anything?
Oh, I did.
You could put that one on there.
It's on my mantle, though. Okay. It fit. Okay.
Okay, all right. Those look good.
That looks cute. Okay, it's coming together, you guys.
Yeah,
Coming together.
yeah, that's better.
They're like this, I think.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
Something like that.
Very colorful.
Okay.
Way better. Cheery.
All right, let's go check this table out.
Look what I found across the street.
Okay, let's have a look. You know what?
Oh, it's kind of, yeah.
I just got a really good idea. I think we might be able to use it. Because we don't have a lot of time to be DIYing this table, for now, I think we should just clean it off
Mm-hmm.
and maybe put a tablecloth on it and put a
Yeah,
lamp. That might be cute.
Yeah. Okay, let's get all the.
Let's just clean it
spiders off.
first. Cleaning it is step one, and then if we don't like it, we won't use it. But
Okay.
maybe we'll see what we can figure out to do with this
Blue.
because it is kind of falling apart right there.
It's almost like lizard skin.
It's all coming off.
Yeah.
I think
Just glue it. We'll put some glue there and we'll
I
clean
think
the
a
bottom.
table, just a
There's spiders.
tablecloth. Let's see what we can do with that table.
Very
Yeah,
good,
if you
baby.
mention a DIY project right now to Grant, he is going to freak out.
I need 10 minutes.
I know. Well, this is really a project for you to do real quick before your dad gets here.
Okay.
We want it stripped down, rebuilt, and painted.
Yeah, I'm
All
gonna
right.
show you what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna see if this is gonna work. Shut the door because there's some craziness happening out there. My idea is tablecloth, vintage tablecloth. Okay, it's gonna be a little too big, but I can tie it around if it'll fit. Okay, that's pretty. Actually, look, it doesn't even touch the ground. It will work. What do you think?
I like it.
You like?
I like it.
Okay, let me see. Let me get it right. And the test is going to be if it fits next to the bed. Will it fit? Will it fit? Yay! Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's perfect.
Amazing.
Meant to be.
Yay.
And now we don't have a problem with the lamp. Now the lamp can go right there.
And you have a plug and
The
everything.
plug is right there.
Oh,
It's
good.
so perfect.
And I brought my clacker if you want it. Clap on, not clacker, clapper. Clap on, clap off the clapper.
Yay! And then they have a little. Ta-da!
Yay.
Yay, that is so perfect. I'm pleasantly surprised with the way this room turned
Oh,
out.
I know. Looks great.
We didn't buy anything.
Nope.
Every single thing was picked from another wall in our house and pillow covers with random pillows shoved in there
Yeah.
and blankets from your house.
One of the blow-up mattresses is from my house, and you have yours.
The extra blanket from Grandma's
Yeah.
house, the throw blanket, and
And we found a table out in the trash.
found a table from across the street, the lamp from my boys' room. So, hey, thank you.
Yeah, that was fun.
It was fun.
Let's hope they enjoy it.
Yes, we're very excited. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You can click right here to watch another video. Thank you for being here with us, and see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.